Hello, kids! Welcome to our happy learning world! Are you ready to learn the ABCs? Let's sing, let's learn, and let's learn together! Come on, everyone! Let's start the alphabet song! A for apple, apple is red, apple is sweet. I like apple, do you like apple? Yummy, yummy apple. B for ball, bounce, bounce, bounce. Ball is round, ball is fun, let's play with the ball. C for cat, meow, meow. Little cat is cute, cat says meow. Hello little cat. D for dog, woof, woof. Dog is happy, dog is friendly, good dog. E for elephant, elephant is big, elephant is strong. Hello big elephant. F for fish, fish swims in water, swim, swim, swim. Good job, fish. G for grapes, purple grapes, green grapes, grapes are yummy, yummy grapes. H for hen, cluck, cluck. Hen lives on the farm, hello little hen. A for ice cream, ice cream is cold, ice cream is sweet, yummy ice cream. J for juice, drink and smile. Juice is healthy, juice is good for you. K for kite, kite flies in the sky. Up, 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 fly, kite fly. L for lion, roar, roar. Lion is brave, lion is strong. M for monkey, jump, jump, jump. Monkey is funny, I like monkey. N for nest, Orange is round, orange is juicy, I like orange. P for purring, purring is praying. Parrot is colorful, hello parrot. Q for queen, queen wears a crown. Queen is kind, hello queen. R for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. Rabbit is fast, rabbit is cute. S for sun, sun is bright. Sun is yellow, good morning sun. T for tiger, tiger is strong. Tiger runs fast, roar. U for umbrella, rain, rain, rain. Umbrella keeps us dry. B for van, van drives on the road. Vroom, vroom, let's go. W for whale, whale is big, whale lives in the ocean. Splash! X for xylophone, break the music. Ding, dong, music is fun. Y for yo-yo, up and down. Yo-yo is fun to play. Z for zebra, zebra is black and white. Hello zebra, wow! You did a great job. You learned the ABCs today. I am so proud of you. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep having fun. See you next time.